everybody, it's Carol. I am in my bedroom because I have not been feeling well. Today is the first day I put makeup on since Christmas. I just want to get this video up and show you this great thing. What's been entertaining me for the past few weeks. This company reached out to me and they were going to send me this exact thing that I wanted. I wanted the Lava Genie. And this is the guitar. This is a guitar. Yes, it is. There's the strap. So you pull that up. Now it's the shape of a guitar, but we're missing something. We're missing this. Watch this. Just snap it in. Whoop. And watch the magic here. Ooh. Isn't that great? So this thing it's a musical instrument. You do not have to know anything about musical instruments. You do not have to know anything about guitars or pianos or anything. This is going to play everything for you. And this is all I've been doing since, no matter how bad or good I feel, I keep coming back to my little guitar. And I tell you, if I had to leave for the earthquake or the fires, the guitar's coming with me. So, comes with the strap. I put the strap on. Ooh. Okay. So let me show you. If you press, you press here or here, these colors. See the colors? Oh yeah. You could see the colors: pink, orange, yellow, neon green, teal green, blue, purple, apple green. There's all kinds of greens. You hold that, and then you strum. How easy is this? You got drums. Okay, so you could strum, and then you could also do this. The songbook is on the app, and you can play thousands and thousands of songs, and these are all numbered or by colors. You could go by color or by numbers. You could press the pink or number 1, and you could press the orange, or it's also number 2. Now I am still learning. Absolutely still learning, trying to learn a song so I could play it for you. And I'm also learning what all the presets mean, because this button, when you turn it, it's either the volume or the presets. And the presets have all different effects. So many. And here's the speaker, and then you plug it in here to charge it. You just have to charge it. And I've charged it once so far, and I've been using it every day. No matter how bad I feel, I just like to let me strum and make some noise. I love it. Okay, go till it finishes, like that whole. It gives you all that instruments Well, you have to just know what key to play, that's all. And then you've got the drums. And then it somehow goes with the beat of your song, whatever song you're playing, which I didn't learn yet. You know, I wanted to buy this for my birthday next month, and I said, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. And then I heard from this company, and I said, oh my God, I'm just so excited, and it's worthy of a review. Definitely. Look how pretty. Ooh, this is great for kids, for seniors. I'm going to be 76. I love it. It's great for seniors. It's great. Oh, if my mom and my dad were still alive, I would get them one each. They would be sitting there strumming away and singing. My father used to sing all the time. Boop, 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 boop. Boop. So cute. And then you just fold it up and you put it in the bag and you carry it with you. I'm telling you, it's packed for my earthquake kit right under my steps. But the strap fits great. And then you just fold it, unclick it, shut it off. Ooh, watch how it goes on again. Ooh, now, I'm not sure I'm looking at the right part of the camera. So if it looks like I'm not looking at you, that's because I'm filming on my phone sideways, and I think I should be looking there. Okay, but I'm just lucky I made a video today because I haven't been able to. So I love you all. I'm so glad you're here with me. I miss you all. And follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. I do a lot of updates on Facebook because a lot of my family is there, and I update everybody. And as soon as I have the strength, I'll make another video. Okay? So I love you all.